Welcome to my page. Let's look at quadratic equation by completing the square method. The equation is before us. We have x squared minus 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. So what you do is to start by taking this third one without an unknown to the other side. We have x squared minus 4x is equals to 2. Okay? So now, you now find the half of the coefficients of x, okay, the one without square, half of it, square it, and add to both sides of the equation. So when you look at this, half of the coefficients of x, is minus 4. Half of it is equals to minus 2. So square it to be minus 2 all squared, okay? Then add to both sides. Okay, so that is what it is. So in this place, you now have to add x squared minus 4x plus, this is the addition. You square it, it's equals to 2 plus the square of minus 2. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So once you do this, the answer is close. Okay, so let's do it as a kind of simplifying it further. We have x squared minus 4x. If you want to square it out, you have plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 4, because minus 2 square is 4. Okay, so in this case, you can factorize this using factorization method. So once you factorize it, or you can either factorize the left side, or you go straight to write x minus this minus 2 all square is equals to 6. Okay, so if you want to factorize it, you will still arrive at this point by doing this. Factorize this expression. Okay, if you factorize it, this is what you become at the end. So this is what we all mean. So by completing the square method, you now have x squared is equals to plus or minus the square root of 6. Okay, and so your x is equals to, if minus 2 is crossing, you have positive 2 plus or minus square root of 6. So if you simplify it further, you now have x is equals to 2 plus square root of 6, or 2 minus square root of 6. If you use your calculator to simplify it further, that is the answer you will have. But remember, I said you can factorize this expression to come to this term. So once you factorize this, you now have, what is the factor of this? You know how we factorize? That when you multiply, you have minus 4 plus 4, and when you add, you have what? Minus 4. So the factor is 4. If you consider 4, you have 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, this is what you have. So it's just equivalent to say minus 2 minus 2, because if you add it, you are going to have minus 4. Okay, so you now have x squared this. Okay, remember, x squared minus 2x minus 2x minus plus 4 equals 0, equals 6. Sorry, 6, because 2 plus 6 where 4 will give you this. So you factorize it, x into this, you have x minus 2. What is common in this? You have minus 2. You have x minus 2 is equals to 6. Okay, so when you go further, you see that x minus 2 is equals to bracket x minus 2 equals 6. So you see that this thing, they are the same, the bracket are the same, and that is where we come about this x squared x minus 2 all square is equals to 6. So you go to the same uh, step and you have your minus or plus 6 and everything will bound down to the same answer. Okay, so can now rewrite it as x is equals to 2 plus root 6, or x is 2 minus root 6. So it's as simple as ABCD. Just go through it. It's a simple trick and you will understand.